Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi 12 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and then tap on About Phone. All we have to do in order to find the software updates is to tap here on the MIUI version. And your device will check for the new updates, of course, if you will have the internet connection, so remember about that. So we can simply tap on Check for Updates, and as you can see, we've got this information that no updates are available right now for this device. However, if you will have any updates which you can download, your device will of course notify about that. It will show you what new issues or new things are in the update, and you will be able to simply tap on download and install the update. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.